বসন্তে বন্ধু বড় হয়েছে। কামড় দেখেন, কামড় দেখেন, কামড় দেখেন। এমন বসন্তে বন্ধু আলো না, এমন বসন্তে বন্ধু আলো না, আমার গানের বাড়ি চলে আমার ছন্দের গাড়ি, যাইব সোনা বন্ধের বাড়ি, বন্ধু আমার রসের হাড়ি, এমন বসন্তে বন্ধু Good morning. Do I need to cut your nails? There is a movie I saw many years ago, maybe 10 to 12 years ago, Kittens movie, Snake and Cat, something like that. There was a cat who killed a snake with his punch, and then after that Jackie just learned that technique on that movie and apply it on his enemy, and he kill a cat style martial arts, sorry, a snake style martial art with his cat type martial art that he learned from that cat. Yeah, now I know they are really really speedy when they bite, when they try to pull, when they try to punch, or when they try to grab. বন্ধুর বাড়ি চলে আমার চাঁদের গাড়ি, যাইব সোনা বন্ধুর বাড়ি, আমার রসের হাড়ি, বন্ধু আমার রসের হাড়ি, এমন বসন্তে বন্ধু এমন বসন্তে বন্ধু। Idiot. I was too busy for last couple of days, maybe from last Sunday to this Wednesday. So today I got free and make a video with my cat. It's not actually my cat, it's actually this cat actually belong to one of my brother who stay with me on this mess. Mess means a flat or something like that, but it's not a flat, it's a mess. What difference? We have rooms, separate rooms with different entrance and exit. Separate room, not in a flat. And this one is loved by many persons. There is a Nazrul Bhai and some other brothers who lives next door to me, and of course I love her too much. There was some enemies where cat transformed to a woman. I wish she can be. She she would be a perfect partner. That's just a joke, so don't take it in your mind. What do you think? Do you want to transform into a human? You should watch some anime. Next time I watch it with you. I wanna make my career on cybersecurity. The daily blog. Can I do this as a daily blog? Or I can tell story with my cat. Uh-huh. Come and bite me. No, no, you can't, bro. You can't. Where are you going? This place belongs to my future wives. You can't sit here. I can forgive you just for this once. Why do you always want to bite me? ভালোবাসতে বন্ধু আলো না আইলো না ভালোবাসতে বন্ধু আলো না ভালোবাসতে বন্ধু আলো না এমন বসন্তে বন্ধু আলো না বসন্তে বন্ধু are you listening the song? There is a bad habit of mine. Sometimes I listen to song many times. This song name Boshanteo Bondhu Masla, maybe something like that. Oh sorry, this song name is Emono Boshante Bondhu Aslana. Last night I heard it by accident on Facebook, and it got my curiosity, and I start playing maybe 50 to 70 times. Last night I heard maybe 50 to 70 times on YouTube. Then now I woke up at 7:35 a.m. at morning. Then I get dressed and start listening this song. Now it's almost 10:35. Yeah, I think 10:35 a.m. So you can imagine I'm hearing this song at least for 3 hours, and still it's not boring me. I think she loves it too. Hey Memo, Memo, hey Memo, do you like the song? Why are you always trying to bite me, you idiot? Let's share my love story sometimes. There is a butterfly that I love. That's your leg. That's not my finger, idiot. Yeah. Bite yours, not mine. Looks like she's curious about what this thing, on why I am holding this. Fuck. She almost bite me. You can't even get out from here and you still want to bite me. If she knows that you sleep on my lap, she will bite you. She's such a jealous person, not more than me. Yeah, focus, dedication, focus and dedication. Look at how much focus and dedication he has to bite my hand. She's make herself ready to bite me. I think so. Her foot position saying that to me. Sorry, her leg position said it to me that he is trying to bite. Yeah, I know you do that. I need to cut your nails, and I'll do it today. What a nice girl. That's my hand. What's wrong with you? Why are you always trying to grab it? Grab it. Grabbing is fine, but why you bite me? And try to snitch with your nails, idiot. There's a girl named Tunni. It's almost 4.5 years. এমন বসন্তে বন্ধু আলো না, আলো না, এমন বসন্তে বন্ধু আলো না। A computer engineer's room. Sorry, a future computer engineer's room. What a shitty thing. I have laptop on my bed, towel, moshari, water bottle, also a cat. No, I have 2 books as well. Do you wanna say something to our viewers? You are not gonna popular right away, but you will. Yeah, he's preparing herself to snatch on my finger. I know it. I can see it on her eyes. Look how determined he is to snatch on my hand. Yeah, go to sleep, 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 sleep.